Hi friends, let me show you this new car sunshade that I bought for my car. I live in a really hot region, so I like to have my car with a sunshade. So, well, it won't be like burning when I get up. Okay? As you can see, you open it really easily. This is aimed to fit the rear mirror of the car, and all the sun will go away with this surface. Okay? So, if you can put it back really easily again. So if you need an accessory like this, I think this is a really nice one, easy and fast to use, and it will help you to have your car uh, not that hot. Let's try it. Let me show you. You have your sunshade in this nice bag, and when you need it, you just have to open it like that. So no sun inside, okay? As you can see, it covers everything. Looks nice. And it basically covers all your car, okay? So if you need a sunshade for your car, this is a great option.